Alright, this is the freight elevator at the Xinda Plaza office tower. I normally don't film freight elevators, but I got the chance this time. Here it comes. This is the freight elevator here. Now this is the actual freight elevator in the office building. I'm gonna have to edit out parts of this video later on. Alright, it's coming. This thing is very, very slow. This is the freight elevator here. I'm gonna watch it open up. Listen to that rumbling. Alright, here it is. Whoa. I can barely see that Schindler sign. Alright, let's go on the B1. This one's a little bit small for a service elevator. Look at these fixtures. Wow. Now this is a freight elevator. It's got wood. Let me get a still picture of the fixtures. Here's Big Brother. I'm gonna stand over here since people are gonna be getting on. Alright, now we're going to go back up to 39 where my cousin is waiting. Here we go. I love that Schindler bell chime. Sounds exactly like a Schindler 500A traction elevator in the United States. Again, I love the Schindler M-Series fixtures. Button goes out. And over there is my cousin. There it goes. And that's it.